Okay, then today afternoon we have a separate session on 12:30 to 3:30. In that time period, you have to be open your what do you call assignment report. Then I can comment you. In the next
Okay.
week, we will take on the basic presentation.
Okay,
You
sir.
you you pass to the your message to the other student by
Okay.
there's another two or three students, no? Samududa?
Yes. Yes.
Then pass this message, log into the after 12:30. Now I discuss a very important part. Asked to join by the others. Then after the lunch break, we will take on this opportunity to discuss your project activity. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I Right. Please inform to others. Come quickly. Student, the online students are there. We have to be start the session. Any questions regarding the purchase order sections by the online student in fast? Asif? Is in fast okay?
Okay, sir.
Then Asif? Menaka? And Mayumi? What about
Okay,
you?
sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Mayumi? Okay. Uda, please pass the message to others. Purchase order. Purchase order tutorial. Service layout order. Page number 302. Shall we start? No? No point to wait further. Right. Now turn to the page number 3. Under the purchases, capital assets purchases. Refer the transaction number 4, PO4, supplier, Malinga Bats and Ball Private Limited, 13 April 23. You refer this transaction. Ordered by 100 leather balls, the one ball 500 each. This item purchased to use for the cricket ground. Actually, this item not purchased for the selling to the customers. Used to the cricket practice. Then Malinga Private Limited promised to supply this item on the 14th and receive the full quantity to the sub cricket club. 75% bill settled to the Sampath Bank and discount also getting on a 5,000 and accounting treatment. Actually, this is not a capital asset, no? The balls, no? Look at the in the paragraph, given the cricket balls used practice on not exceeding to a last least more than 1 year. That means you cannot be capitalized this balls to the your fixed asset. This is called the recurrent expenses. Actually, paying for the purchase of this item for the cricket practice. But anyhow, student, this is the item. Student, listen me. This item you have to be recorded first to take in item to the your warehouse item. Then after that, the item from the inventory warehouse, you have to be released to the not 100 balls issued at the first time, no. Maybe 10 balls, 20 balls issued to the ground. And until to issuing a ball, these items are held in the your inventory item at your warehouse. So you have to be create, listen very carefully. You whatever the item, other than to selling your customers, you have to be maintained either recurrent asset or the fixed asset by your inventory at your warehouse. Right. Go to the inventory section by all. Click on item list. Look at here. The ball item is there. Is it there? No. Leather ball item not in your warehouse. I think. Right. Then create the new item by giving a detail by the student. Right. Click on new. Item number. We'll give cricket ball 001 or something. Give the code in cricket ball. Give the name. Cricket ball. Right. Listen very carefully. First, when you buy this item, okay, I hold this inventory item in my general inventory or demo inventory. Got this point? General inventory or demo inventory. Can select here your general inventory or demo inventory, both available. General inventory or demo inventory. Select this item. Okay. What do you mean by I sell this item? After using this item, you will be selling to the third party like a scrap sales, other income, miscellaneous income. You have to be integrate this. I sell this item, actually not sell this item. After using this item, we sell to the miscellaneous income or other income or something. Under the other income, no miscellaneous or scrap sales or something. We'll create, go to the here other income. Under the section number 8, online student, you look at very carefully. Under the section number 8, 1000, 2000 is there. Then create 3000. New account, income, not income, other income, 8, 3000. Other income or miscellaneous income. Miscellaneous income or other income. Create new account. This is not the main income. This is actually in your profit and loss account. These incomes are come under the other income. Is correct, no? Then select this new account. Like income. Then I buy this item. I buy this item. In my cost of sales or purchased, actually not cost of material. Actually, you are buying a separate line item. But at the moment, I select a cost of material. Really, this item come under the other purchases or something. Understood? When you get on this item, either general inventory or miscellaneous, when you sell this item under the other income, whatever the other income, like click the selling on scrap sales, selling on old item or something. When you buy this item under the purchase, other purchases or something. Then item detail, buying detail, the unit of measurement 1 by 1 each. Number of items for the buying unit 1. Student, if you buy this item, it is applicable on VAT or whatever the capital acquisition rate. Actually, balls are not applicable on the capital acquisition rate. If you are applied on the VAT, then you have to be add on VAT. Exempted or not considered on VAT, remove that section. Then at the selling time, if you know the base selling price of this item, actually the cost of this item 500 no, but you can sell by this 300 rupees after using these balls. You can base selling price by here like this. Unit of measurement again 1 by 1 item. Tax code then applied. You decide applied or not. Yeah, applied for the both buying and selling both. Otherwise, blank on the both case in the buying section and the selling section. Understood? Right. Like when you go for the tennis ground in some of the clubs, after using by this tennis, the whatever the balls, they're selling to the other parties, no, at a lesser price. Right. Click OK. Now you look at here. Cricket ball item is there. Cricket ball. Create the new inventory item. Understand the correct way we recording items. But still no quantity on hand. No more purchase, no? Right. Step number 1. Now again you refer the transaction. Purchase on 100 ball. Then what you do? Go to the purchase on this item. Purchased. And also you look at the supplier. Supplier is in the list. Otherwise you have to create the new supplier. Got this point? Enter purchase. Order option. Supplier in the existing list, Malinga. Use supplier. Is it used by this PO? No. This is the pending PO. We use for the fresh order, cancel. Automatically create the PO number. Look at the date, not 12th, 13th. Select on 13th. PO number, PO 04. I don't know whether already we insert the PO number 4. If you apply both case PO number and the invoice number here, PO 004, invoice number 004. Can. Then otherwise you have to be applied on here, like here PO 004. In here INV 004. Like this. Then the received column, how many balls you ordered? 100 balls. Item, cricket ball. Unit price given here 500. No discount. Look at here. Now VAT liable. If you ignore the VAT, get on the 0 or the exempted or something. Right. 100 balls. 500 each. VAT liable. Then if supplier charge on freight charges, then add on the freight charges. If you are paying on today some amount from here by the 50,000 to order time by 5,000, 10,000 like this, then add on the today paid. If you are not paying on here, total amount due, outstanding. Record. No. It is in the stock now. This is the stock. No. Still we create the order. Click on order, register, order, but no item now. Select either all or particular supplier. Here this time Malinga. Look at here, one pending order and one fresh order. Right. Then read the second step. Malinga promised to send this item on 14 and receive the full quantity GRN. Go to the bill option. Then supplier Malinga. From the two pending, select the correct pending PO by first use this PO. Okay. Then change the date on received the quantity 14 as the transaction given in the paper. No difference in the unit price 500. Sometimes supply increase the prices on 525 like this. Then click on bill option. Bill option. Then activate on the back order column. In the transaction given, receive the full quantity. No back order. Okay. Get the full order in the transaction. Then click on here. Record. Record. No. Prior date okay. Record. Now look at here. Register. Open bill. Now look at here. In the order that PO, actually we call it change the position status from the order status to the now bill status. Got this point? Transfer the orders to the bill status. Now this 100 item in our inventory. Is it there? No? We'll check. Clause, identify the correct way in the ER system. Go to the inventory, item list. Now student look at here, quantity on 100. Is it enough to identify the correctly by one transaction? Now look at here. Cost. Actually, in this company, we entered on this 500 in the inventory adjustment in the beginning, no? But this time I use the PO price, then automatically this PO price taken to cost. Purchase price. The different applications are there, different way of handling the system by the different people. You have to be studied that sections. Either going for the inventory adjustment, beginning, or go for the purchase order, purchase price. In both case, adjust on the your last unit cost. Now inventory in the my warehouse. Look at the next. Right. From the Sampath Bank, pay the bill. Clause. Go to the purchase. Purchase. Pay bill. Supplier payment. Now, look at your student. In the case, in your current account, only having a 7,000 amount. As accounting people, we have to be considered that. Concern on that before writing a check and something. Because of in this, what do you call the questions, no receipt to the sales and the other income. No. Still, so no updated in the my current account by the deposit column. Anyhow, click on here supplier Malinga. Right. Now discount in here 5,000. Actually, in early case we had a issues in the. Then 45,000 into 75%. Calculate. How you calculate on 45,000 into 70? Just you open the calculator from here. Calculator. Easily you can calculate 45,000. You practice on here into 75%. 33,750. From the start button, open the calculator from the same window. 33,750. Okay. Then date of payment. Actually, not given the date of payment. You select the 20th. 20th. Check number. You have to be add on check number here. Then click on amount. Amount. Look at in my case, when I try to change the bank check number, so automatically my discount disappeared. Now, okay. That will be happen. Before save this transaction, look at here, total paid 33,750. Right? Then click OK. record this transaction. Click register. $33,750. Student, you have to be wait for a moment. Online student. Right. 33,750 payment under the withdrawal. Right. Close. Student. Now you think the 100 balls, online student, listen very carefully. 100 balls. Now you imagine that, you assume that balls in my warehouse. So from the warehouse, either the first 100 balls or part of the balls, you have to be issued to the what you call the ground coaches or somebody's ground maintenance people or something. It is in the practically not issued by the 100. Got this my point? Maybe issued by the 5 balls, 2, 3, 10 like this, no? But this transaction actually I teach you from the inventory, issued this item to the ground maintenance account. Got this point? Right. Then you go to the inventory section. Okay. Select on inventory adjustment. Adjust inventory. Inventory journal IJ. IJ 003 automatically created. Change the date 23 month of April, maybe 20th. Give the memo number or detail. Both can. Maybe we'll put ball transfer. To ground. Actually, ground in the sense given to the particular people, the responsible officers. Right. Then select here inventory number. Click on tab button. Click on tab. Student. Now you look at here the 100 boards in my warehouse. Understood? If you select on this item here, use item, try to understand. Either you issued 100 item, full quantity, or part of the quantity. Can. Are you issuing a 10 balls? Then here recording on the 10 balls. Listen me. I look at the screen very carefully. If I issue this item, what is the general entry? I have to be deduct on my inventory item and added to the somewhere. I put minus 100 one way. Wait, one way. If I deduct 10, you are accounting student, you have to be think. Deduct 10, then issuing to the ground. Then what happened to the 90 in the inventory? Understand the reality of the transaction. If you deduct 100 and given to the somebody's in the ground, coaches or somebody, you keep it that day, your 100 balls. You practice and return me after using by this ball, maybe after damaging or something. Return to the again warehouse. Then warehouse people are selling to the third parties. The one way. Other way, time to time you issue the 5, 10, 2 like this. Then after, by using this item, return to the warehouse, again 5 balls are issued. You got this point? There are different applications are in the industry. Right. Now I use the first method in here. But what is my cost? Unit cost. 500, no? You get here. It is applicable on the actually VAT portion. Yeah, when I put 500, 50,000. Then remove the full amount in my warehouse quantity. Right, student. Now we are now credit in my inventory. Where do I debit? Where to debit? Look at the for the easy purpose when the transaction here, but in the examination we will not provide the relevant debit account. You have to be think either ground maintenance, ground practice, or somewhere you have to be issue this item. Now I select here ground maintenance. Where are the ground maintenance? In the my expense. In my expense. Online students, you are okay? Please respond me. Got this point? Then use this account. No particular job account. Then ball transfer to ground. Record. The value you inventory may not be less than C. But the message on here 500 is there, no? I think with the amount on here, we'll look at here unit cost will 450. What happened in minus? Yes, there should be minus. Removed from my inventory. No? But item is there, no? Will 95? No, can't be here. I think something. Wet. Yes, I think that's the issue. 400, how much? 400? 423.72. I think that is the reason. Yes, because of VAT component is there. That's why the system automatically indicated that amount. We can't capitalize that asset to the in expense account. No? That's the reason. Right. Got this point? So automatically activated that amount. In the wet portion. Now, student, you turn to the reporting section by all. You look at here. Go to the reports, accounts. Select your profit and loss account. Display. Set your date period here. Now, debited to your ground maintenance account. 40,000 amount. After removing the VAT portion, cost amount. If you are ignoring this, what you call that VAT, so automatically 50,000 record in here. You think. Look at the journal entry also there. Look at the journal entry. Any place you can refer your journal entry. Right. Next. Recording on the next transaction, then you can understand. PO005. Supplier. Student, refer this transaction. Supplier Prime Sport Import Private Limited. Date 5th April. Purchased on tractor. Motor vehicle, no, under the category of motor vehicle. Used to cut grass on the ground. Cost at 850,000. Right. Shall we record? What is the first step? Recording on the inventory item. Recording the inventory item. New item. Item number will get TR05 tractor. Name. tractor, item number. You decide your item code. Don't follow me. I'll give the actually. If I getting on this in my mind, get a TR. If you want TRC01 or something. Don't ask me how you decide this code. Actually, these assets design on the meaningful way. Then, again, I inventory this item where in my general inventory. Student, you have to be keep in your mind the fixed asset actually we can't purchase. Fixed asset purchased by the company. First, it recorded and you know that your accounting student in the year end when you go for the annual audit or the stock counting, all the fixed asset register is there. You have to be take the fixed asset register and count the number of fixed assets are available at this particular client. Right. I sell the actually not sale. Look at here. If I keep on blank, then I click on I buy this item. Now activated by my purchase account. So the system asks from you to select whatever the revenue or the other income account for at the time of sale. After using by this tractor, you will assume after 5 years, you are selling this item. This income have to be credited to either other income, miscellaneous or something, scrap sale or something. Then I buy this item, not actually material, by whatever the fixed asset purchase or somewhere in the under the cost of sale. Then we have to be transferred to the fixed asset. Understood the way? Right. For that moment, look at here, no quantity on hand, no current value. Go to the buying unit. Each and one. Select here, not value added. I should now this time I select capital acquisition. Sometimes different taxes you have to be paid, not VAT applicable. Sometimes both applicable, VAT and these different rates on asset acquisition. Maybe use this code. At billing, each and look at here, base selling price we actually here given 850,000. Maybe look at here 500 something like a scrap value. It will not correct. For the time being, we will put some amount. And here not value added tax. Again, you add on the capital acquisition. Got this point? Actually, this will not applicable to the selling price. At the time of sale this item, we will decide the selling price. Then click OK. Tractor. Look at the tractor item. Yeah, last one. Last one, tractor. This 500,000 actually not correct. For the time being, we entered the assumed amount. Clear? Right. Recording on my fixed asset. This is actually fixed asset. Close. Right. Next. This tractor received to our warehouse with the picking slip by the 6th April with the GRN10. Right. Record on that. Go to the purchases. Enter purchase. Bill or order. Order. First you have to create order. Order. Supplier. Prime. Prime spot. Student, in practically sport item companies are not selling by the tractor or something. You have to be decided at the time from where, like maybe United Tractors or Browns or somewhere you purchase. Then you have to be create the temporary supplier, like other suppliers, other vendors like this. Otherwise, cash purchases, cash vendor, use supplier. PO number 005. Then the date 5th April. Invoice number will assume in INV 005. Don't know this invoice number already exists. Right. Then received column. How many tractors? 1. Item tractor. Still zero quantity. Zero quantity in my warehouse used. Unit price 850. Now activated on capital asset purchase tax rate. Here also there add on few freight amount. Actually, the delivery charges maybe 5,000. Student, we look at here at the date of actually purchase order can enter on like 50,000 amount paid. Then the balance 805,000 like advance payment today paid. Record. No, not change. Supplier credit limit. Then ask to check here, no check. Record. Cancel. Yeah. We'll ask the check number. No. At the moment, we'll remove that. Otherwise, ask the check number. No. Recording. Because the PO, no. PO then ask the check number. Then register order. Select the supplier. Prime spot, no? Prime spot. $855,000 with including on the freight charges. 855,000, including the freight charges. Right. Then clause next one. Record on the GRN. Receipt this item. Order change to the bill. Supplier prime spot. Pending PO. Use purchase. Receive this item on 6th April. Then bill option. Ne? Bill option. Bill item. Ordered 1, received 1. No backcode. Change the date. Then record. Recording. Then change the status from order status to bill status. 855. Next. Payment to supplier 15 April 23 from the Sampath Bank. Payment. Clause under the purchase pay bill option. Pay bill option. Now look at here. My bank account goes to the minus. OD balance. No income generated still. Select supplier. Prime spot. Use supplier. When you pay the amount on here, 15th. After receiving the item. Before capitalizing. Right? Then 855,000 paid on full amount or part amount. Not given correctly to decide either paid full amount or part amount. Actually, try to understand in this situation, actually, you are not paying on the full amount. 855,000. Because we are not recording the sales, no? That's the reason. Not actual transaction. 855. Then click on amount. Tab. Look at it. There are options in pay to include close POs, already printed, pay all. There are options available because outstanding are there. Then click record. Now this tractor item is there. Look at here. After paid, now item is there. Now after GR, inventory. One tractor. Okay, settle the bill. Now, item in my warehouse. From warehouse, now we have to transfer this item to the relevant fixed asset, not by expense account. Is a fixed asset? No. Used by more than 1 year. Close. Inventory adjustment. Date may be after 20th April, doesn't matter. Memo tractor. Item number. What's my item number? Tractor. Tractor. Before transfer the asset, you look at the quantity. Without quantity, you can't transfer the asset. Used item. Look at here. Include exclusive at 772. No. -1. -1. Then capitalize this asset to where? Ground equipment at cost. Under my fixed asset, ground equipment at cost. This is the company fixed asset. Use this account. Then record. And look at the journal entry. Debited to your ground equipment at cost and credited from your inventory account. But inventory name is there still. Then you can verify. Actually, assets is in the fields or the somewhere from the your fixed asset register. Right, we'll look at that. This item actually recorded in our balance sheet. Go to the reports, accounts, under the standard balance sheet. Standard balance sheet. Display. Now, ground equipment at cost. This account. After getting on this search, click. Customize the period by 23 April. Now, recorded under the debit your tractor cost. Is it understand by all? Online student, how about you? In fast, okay?
Okay, sir.
Mayumi,
Okay, sir.
Sumadura, and Abdul. Right. Right. Turn to the next transaction PO006. By all, take the 5 minutes. Try to record on this transaction. Try to record on this transaction. PO006. Okay. PO006. Record this transaction. PO006. Yes, this one. PO006. Try to record this transaction. Capitalize this asset to the your balance sheet. Right. Record the next transaction PO006 by online student. Anyone have the next one? Record on this PO006. This one. JSON bat and ball collector attached to the tractor. Online students, any issues regarding a capital asset purchased? Sumadura, okay? Infas, okay?
Okay, sir.
How about others? Mayumi and Menaka is left, no? Is it complete? Right? Shall we start? Right. Item called bat and ball collector attached to the tractor. That is also the fixed asset. The invoice number given here and arrived to the warehouse 7. Payment on 20th. Capitalization on 20th by ground equipment cost. Right. Start. First, you create the student be silent. Inventory item. New inventory item. Item name. A code. Pattern. A ball collector. 001 or something. You decide the code. Bat and ball collector. I inventory this item, my general inventory item. I sell this inventory item, miscellaneous income, or something. You can create any other income account. I buy this item, not purchase account on material, whatever the asset purchase account. Right. Then student bind detail, same detail are applicable. In selling also change the price on maybe 200,000. After using this item, selling to the 200,000. Is the estimation, not correct amount. Delete the other. Actually, at the end of the lifetime, the more or less amount you will be selling on this item. Complete. Okay. Bat and ball collector. Right. Then purchase this item. Purchases. Enter purchase. Order. From whom? Same supplier. Order number 6. PO 6. Date, same date. INV 006. Item, 1 bat and ball collector. Now item is there. Bat and ball collector. Unit price 370. Capital asset purchased. Look at here. Otherwise, you have to be removed here. Tax inclusive removed. Got this point? There are options available. Got this point? Right. Record this transaction. You definitely you have to be add on the freight and other. When you bring it to these assets to the relevant location, you have to be capitalize those assets. Transportation according to the accounting standard, the first transportation cost can be capitalized. I think you all aware about the accounting standard other than me. And anyway, record. No. Credit limit. Okay. Now order is there. 370. Including the VAT, not VAT, capital assets. Then get this item to your warehouse under the GRN option. Student, you also have to be write down the transaction like this, your project, your assignment. Selected company. Selected company mean based on the selected company, you have to be select the item. Fix asset. You can't write the transaction on tractor, bolts or something. This transaction really related to your company, selected organization. From the prime purchase, pending order. Change the date. April 6th. Right? Then click OK. Then turn to the order status to bill status. Sorry. Actually, I create the bill. No? Again, look at it. Look at here. I had a small mistake. No, I didn't create the invoice option. Look at here. Bill. What do you call that? Prime. Still it is in the pending order. Look at that. Still it is in the pending order. Then, okay. Then I have to be click on here bill option. Otherwise, item will not come to the stock. Bill option. Item. Then record. No. predated and credit limit. Okay. Now it is in the bill, open bill status. 370. In the bill status. Right. This item actually you can return, can return. But purchase one item, return one item, no item in the warehouse. 0. Then payment of bill. Where purchase, bill payment, from where you paid. Sampath Bank. Sampath Bank, supplier, prime spot, change the date on 20th. $370,000. Click on here, amount, tab. Amount and tab. Right? Then record. Settle the payment. Now go to the asset transfer to the ground equipment cost. Where? From inventory. Adjust inventory. Inventory journal 5. Date. Here type. What is the item called? Bat and ball collector, no? Yes. Bat and ball collector. Item. One item on bat and ball collector. Student, now you look at the tractor. Here 0. After transfer these tractors to the capital asset, property, plant and equipment, just inventory item label is there. But the auditors can get the idea. The item transferred from this warehouse. Bat and ball collector minus 1. Amount recorded under the fixed asset ground equipment cost. Ground equipment cost. Record. Look at the journal entry. 336,000. Actually, this amount displayed at your balance sheet. The both in the tractor and the ball collector. Review your balance sheet. Ground equipment cost here. Customize your period. Now both items are in your fixed asset. Not difficult, actually. You have to be understand the way of recording the normal purchases and the fixed asset purchased. Right. Record the purchase order 7. PO7. This transaction. Record with me. Supply, same supply, no? 9. 10 rubber mats, 6,500 each. For use for cricketers. Capital tax code, invoice number given. Right. We set on the item first. Inventory item. New inventory item. Rubber mat. Sorry, give the first item number. Rubber mats. RMT. Rubber, sorry, B, no? Rubber mat, empty. Rubber mat. 01 or something, eh? There's no rule to create the inventory code in, eh? By the meaningful way. Rubber mat. Right? Rubber mat. I inventory this item. I sell this item. In the future, the income account selected in my miscellaneous income or something. I buy this item, purchases on capital assets or something. Right? No other setting part. Bind unit, okay. Actually, we are not maintain the levels, no. The fixed asset, no. Selling. Here you have to be changed. Like after using by this rubber mat, 6,500 cost, no. Will 1,000 or less than 1,000, eh? Delete others. Right. Then rubber mat. Here, rubber mats. Right. Then, right. Set the inventory item first. Otherwise, we can't purchase. That is the reason. If you want to purchase the item, you have to be set the item. Purchases. Enter purchase. Now a little bit speed. Eh? Order. Supplier. PO7. Date on 9. INV09. Receipt quantity 10 quantity on rubber mat in the mid. Rubber mat. No quantity, quantity in 0. Use this item. Unit price 6,500. Complete. Right? Record. In the examination day, you don't have time to think the transaction. Just only recording. Record. Definitely it is in there. Don't worry about the others. Right. Definitely this is in the order. No need to check one by one. Now we realize that no in the path. Right. Definitely it's in the order. Then raise the GRN. Otherwise you use actually wasting your time in the exam. Then 12th by prime pending order. Change the date 12th. Then bill option. Bill mean record into the GRA. Then record. Definitely this is in my open bill status. 65,000. It is there. If you are pretty sure to record correctly, the item and the amount is there. In the examination, no need to check by one the transactions. Complete few transactions and check. Right. Then payment 20th pay to the supplier. Now it is in the inventory. Inventory item rubber mat. Where the rubber mat item? Here, 10 item. Rubber mat. Then settle the bill. Why I'm using the last step on capitalize the asset without the asset ownership? It is not a way to recording a capitalized asset. First you get the asset ownership, either pay in advance payment or full payment, then recording in my balance sheet. Otherwise, if you return this item, little bit difficult to change the return entry. Pay bill. Purchase, pay bill. Supplier, prime, 65,000 in 20th. Don't know whether you paid full amount or part. Doesn't matter. Click on here. Tap. Not difficult. Record. Now last step, capitalize this asset from the inventory module. Inventory adjustment. Memo rubber mat. Select the rubber mat correctly from here. 10 item is there. Like in the early case, if you are only capitalizing on the 5 rubber mats to the ground or somewhere, the balance 5 items are in the warehouse. Minus 10 under the fixed asset, where to capitalized under the building cost. Use this account. Record. Complete. This rubber mat item in your fixed asset on what do you call this building? Building at cost. Customize. Rubber mat. Right? Complete? Right. Try to record the last purchase asset transaction. Supply PO008. PO008. Complete? Right. Now we'll take your lunch break. After the lunch break, we will go for your project discussion part. Your group members, you have to be sit here in the nearest place with the groups. Then just you open your report from your computers, and I will check your project detail and given the instruction. Those who are logging on the online, I don't know these students are belonging to the which group. Sumodura, in past, you all have to be ready for the share your screen from your end and show your project detail. And other one, Abdullah and Mayumi, and other one girl is today morning. Don't know the what's the name? Menaka. Something, no? The Menaka belongs to which group? Your one. You have to be contact with the physical student, the online. Yes. Anyway, today online, no. You have to be contact and get this information from her regarding her part. But anyway, we'll meet on the after the break, lunch break.